Well, it happens. You end up with a lot of different chargers and batteries for all the various equipment. It's sometimes hard to stick to the same brand, especially when you see things on sale or whatnot. But in the end, I have multiple chargers and it gets a bit disorganized. So today I'm going to try and organize these chargers by mounting them onto, I've got here an old cutting board that's seen better days. So this bamboo cutting board I'm going to use as a base and then lay out maybe something in this arrangement. We've got the tall battery for the Ryobi over here. This is a Black & Decker charger, which is kind of at a weird angle. This one sticks out this way, and then the DeWalt goes up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some screws. These have these mounting brackets on the back. So I just need to put a screw for those slots. The DeWalt has that as well. This Black & Decker does not. It's meant to be tabletop. So I think what I'm going to do for this one is put screws straight through the bottom here. And I don't know, maybe come up with a strap or something. Or maybe just by securing the wire to the board. That'll give it enough. Or maybe I'll take this apart. Looks like there's some Torx screws. And then if I take it apart, I can screw the base. No, wait. I'll figure something out. When mounting something that has these slots where you need to put the screws the exact distance apart, it can be pretty tricky. One cool thing that I saw from both the DeWalt and the Ryobi is that they actually tell you how far apart the screws need to be. This one is 3 3/4 inches, and this one here is 4.5 inches. However, you're not always told, and maybe you're hanging something else up. So one trick is to use some masking tape. Let me show you. You place masking tape directly over where the holes need to go. We can see just by me pushing, we can see exactly where the screws go. So then if we poke a little hole where each screw goes, I've now created a guide. You take the tape off and you place your tape directly where you want it to be. And now I know these are the spots where I need to put the screws. Got the tape down. I'm just going to drill a quick pilot hole. I don't think I really need to. Not that deep anyway. Let's just tape a little crooked. I have these old screws I found in my tool set. Alright, let's see. Okay, it's on there. I think the screw is a little too deep. There we go. No. How deep does that need to go? There we go, nice and secure. Now I'll just mount the, now I think we need to figure out this Black & Decker one. I'm going to quickly take this apart and see if I can screw through the base. I don't think there's any electronics here or wires, but I want to see if maybe I can even drive a long screw through the top back and hope that there's nothing back here on the case. If not, again, I'll figure something else out. All right, so it's not just a hex screw, on there. It's a security hex screw because, I mean, right? So thankfully I have this little kit. I think I bought it at Harbor Freight a billion years ago. Basically, there's a pin in the center of the hex, and so these Torx bits have the center drilled out. So now I should be able to hold it right there and hold this. Okay. Circuit board, charging circuit. Okay, good. But I was correct. I can drill straight through the base with no problem. Going through that top, I could do it at the top edge. I think I can, it's just enough room. I do the top, come through here. Yep, all right, get the drill bit. A little crooked, it's fine. Well, that got stripped. No turning back. I think it might be good. Okay, one more to go. And this one I'm going to put up here. Let's see, this battery's here. Plenty of room. So this one also has the measurement, but again, let's see, can you, there, how's that? And also some measurements, but I'm just gonna again use the tape. just a little bit. There we go. And now for some wire management. I think I'm just gonna figure out a way to secure these. Maybe I'll have the wires all come straight down the bottom. And that way I can plug it into a power strip. Alright, found a stud. I'm going to put another screw in the bottom and then plug everything in. Okay, ran the wires, trim up that zip ties, find those later. And now let's see, green light charging, Ryobi charging, and DeWalt charging. Easy project, helps organize, and maybe I was even thinking of putting a little shelf here if I have an extra battery, like a little shelf, a little extra battery. Or hey, there's a spot for another charger, whether it's another one of the same or what have you. I think even with the Ryobi, I probably could have mounted it sideways in case I have a second Ryobi one. I could always mount it sideways. So since this one is just held in with two little screws, I could always reposition it. And with the zip ties, I could always undo the wiring. If I can fix it, so can you.